After years of walking on eggshells, drowning in manipulation and self-doubt, Mira found herself at a breaking point. The echoes of criticism and control still lingered in her mind long after she had left the relationship, but she was determined to silence them. She began with a simple step, lacing up her running shoes and heading out before sunrise. At first, every stride felt heavy, burdened by the weight of past wounds, but as her feet pounded on the pavement, she discovered something unexpected. Movement gave her power. With every run, every lift at the gym, every deep breath in yoga, she felt herself becoming stronger, not just physically, but emotionally. What had once been a struggle to rebuild her confidence became a daily ritual of self-respect. She learned to fuel her body with nourishing foods, to set personal goals that had nothing to do with pleasing someone else, and to celebrate herself in ways she never had before. Fitness became her therapy, her rebellion against the lies she had been told. It was the tangible proof that she was capable, worthy, and in control of her own destiny. Mira's journey was not just about physical strength, but about reclaiming herself. And with each weight lifted, each mile conquered, she knew healing was not just possible, it was already happening.
There's a growing evidence that being physically active may help prevent or treat mental health conditions. However, many questions still need answering. It is important to have detailed evidence of the relationship between physical activity and mental health.
Cheers to your health! Today I'm excited to share these 3 green smoothies that are not only delicious, but they are all under 300 calories. Also, I'm going to show you a couple of 3 reps of 60 leg exercises. You'll need an exercise mat, weights, or exercise ball. Stop the video if you need time to get ready for the workout. But first, if you are looking for meals that won't counter your weight loss management, try adding these smoothies to your healthy meals, and doing this just might prove to be a real game changer. So how can you start to manage weight loss while looking and feeling your best? First, by staying hydrated, eating healthy, monitoring, or keeping record of your weight loss journey. Lastly, keep exercising, remaining proactive, and thriving forward. After all, it's probably time to put yourself first. Now let's get to those super green smoothies. Start with 1 green apple, 1 cup cucumber, half a cup spinach, half a cup kale, a quarter cup celery, 1 teaspoon hemp seeds, a quarter cup ginger or ginger juice. Next, add half a cup lemon or lime juice, 1 cup of water or coconut water. Keep in mind that 1 cup of coconut water is 45 calories. This smoothie is only 183 calories. If you go with the coconut water, just add an extra 45 calories. To keep the calories down, the smoothie portion can be anywhere between 8 to 16 ounces. Now let's check out the health benefits of drinking this super green smoothie. It promotes weight loss and prevents heart disease, just to name a few. 1 orange, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, 1/2 lime squeezed juice, 3/4 cup of water, a quarter cup celery, 1 teaspoon hemp seeds, 1 cup of carrots. If you want to add ginger, it's optional. This orange carrot smoothie is only 179 calories. Benefits of drinking the orange carrot smoothie is that it provides energy production, great source of protein and energy booster, while being packed with vitamins B1, C, and E. 1 kiwi, half a cup apple cider vinegar, 1/2 green apple, 1 cup of water or coconut water. Remember that 1 cup of coconut water is 45 calories. The apple cider kiwi smoothie is only a whopping 94 calories that's packed with vitamins A, B, C, E, and K. Apple cider kiwi smoothies promote gut health, packed with vitamins/minerals, helps with bone metabolism, keeping blood calcium sugar levels balanced, promotes weight loss, all while protecting cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Now let's get ready to perform exercises that are designed to help with weight loss management. You'll be performing squats and leg lifts. Until next time, cheers to your health. Squats are an excellent exercise for your lower body. They can help you develop strength in your legs and core, improve mobility, and enhance your performance in sports and daily activities. Squats can also decrease the risk of injury when you strengthen the muscles in your lower body. Other muscles that benefit from squats are hip muscles, calves, hamstrings, and obliques. Here are some stretches that you can do after doing squats. Pigeon stretch, quad stretch, and lizard lunge with external rotation. A great post-workout is to take a walk for 30 to 60 minutes later in the day. While you're taking your walk, why not drink a 16 to 20 ounce lime water to stay hydrated? Watch my next video to find out the benefits of drinking lime water. Okay, you're doing great. Almost there. Rest for 5 seconds between reps if needed. Cheers to your health. water has several benefits for the body. It can aid digestion by breaking down food for better digestion and stimulating the secretion of digestive juices. It can also stimulate bowel activity and clear the excretory system, which can help with constipation. Lime water can also help with weight management and skin health, and when consumed in adequate amounts, it helps prevent kidney stones. When consumed warm, it acts as a kind of Drano for your digestive system, moving toxins from your mouth to your colon. Limes are a great way to get your daily dose of vitamin C. A single lime contains almost 20 milligrams of vitamin C, which is about 1/3 of the recommended daily amount for adults. Vitamin C is essential for cell growth and repair, including wound healing, and it also helps support the immune system. Here are 3 ways to drink lime water. Squeeze half a lime into a glass of water and drink it first thing in the morning. Add lime juice to your favorite smoothie recipe. Mix lime juice with honey and hot water for a soothing tea. Did you know that limes are thought to have originated in Southeast Asia or Indonesia and were transported to North Africa and the Mediterranean region around 1000 CE? Returning crusaders introduced limes to the Western Mediterranean countries in the 12th and 13th centuries.